Depending on the template you've installed on your blog or website, the current look and feel of the content displayed to your readers may be hurting your bounce rate and time on site. Why typography matters for your blog or site. Before we go into the how-to, let's talk about why typography is so important for your website's success. 1. First impressions count. When a visitor lands on your page, the first thing they notice is how it looks. Clean, modern typography instantly gives your site a professional edge. 2. Readability is key. Good typography makes your content easier to read, which means visitors are more likely to stay on your site and engage with your content. 3. Brand consistency. A well-chosen typography style helps reinforce your brand identity across all your pages. 4. Mobile optimization. With more people browsing on mobile devices, having responsive typography ensures your site looks great on all screen sizes. With this single code that I'll give you, you can instantly transform your entire blog or website by giving your typography design a sleek, modern, and professional look. Step 1. Copy the main code snippet by visiting the link in the description box below. This is the CSS code that will affect a redesign of your Blogger website. Next, go to your Blogger theme menu in the left sidebar dashboard. Click the drop-down arrow on the Customize button. Create a backup of your website's theme just in case. Click the drop-down arrow again and click Edit HTML. If you're on desktop, press Ctrl+F on your keyboard. A search box will appear. Search for the bee skin tag. Copy this tag from the description box below. Paste the CSS code you copied before the bee skin tag, then hit the Save button. If you're on mobile, there's no way of pressing Ctrl+F, so you have to scroll and scan through with your eyes for the bee skin tag. It's usually somewhere towards the middle of the entire code. Paste the main CSS code you copied right before the bee skin tag, then hit the Save. Now, there's just one final step. We have to add the style sheets for the fonts in our Blogger theme header section. Copy the style sheet codes from the same link in the description box below. Scroll all the way up to the beginning of the Blogger theme code. Right under the opening head section, paste the style sheet code, then hit the Save button. That's it. You've just given your Blogger site a professional look. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next video.